In the latest business sentiment data, we're seeing a sentiment score of plus 0.14, but what's striking is the momentum at minus 0.29. This indicates a downward shift in positive sentiment, despite the overall positivity. You might not expect to see such a dip right now, especially with 19 semantic clusters reflecting diverse sentiments around business topics. This unusual combination suggests that while some sectors are feeling optimistic, others are facing headwinds that are dragging sentiment down. You can leverage this insight to identify which sectors might need your attention, or where opportunities may be emerging. Our API returns a structured analysis of sentiment, allowing you to incorporate these insights into your applications seamlessly. Ready to dig deeper? Check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs and start building with us today.